What's going on, everybody? Good morning to you and happy Thursday. Thursday, is it? You guys know how it is. All these days just run right together. Crypto doesn't stop. We don't sleep. We are just enjoying the runs that we're experiencing right now. And meme coins are back. I woke up this morning, saw that meme coins had taken the lead yet again. Pepe has been leading the way, but now some money rotating back into the OG Solana meme coins. We're going to talk about Solana. We're going to talk about Jasm. We're going to talk about Pepe, Shib, the overall market, my strategy right now with meme coins, some other new things that I'm getting into, as I think we're at a perfect time right now within this bull market to start accumulating some more altcoins. I have basically flipped the switch and have started going heavily into some altcoins, at least diversifying, finding some new plays too out there. I mentioned this a little bit yesterday on some videos and things like that, and on my live stream yesterday, but we got a lot to get into, and meme coins, again, making a run. So go ahead and hit that like button for us on your way in. Club Crow's in the house. Says Pepe, what's up, man? Good morning to you. Good morning to everybody out there. So Dog with Hat is now ranked number 45, guys. Well over a $3 billion market cap. Insane what we're witnessing right now. The capital flowing into meme coins is absurd. Bonk also not going anywhere. It's looking solid too, up 21%. Dog with Hat leading the way, 47%. And a lot of this has to do with what Solana is doing, guys. Solana has been crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Solana chart, because you want to talk about bullish here. Solana has been unbelievable as of late. And if we can get it up here, the chart, we could take a look at it, maybe. Let's reload it here. There's Jasm. I think I needed to. Okay, there's Solana. That's just the market cap, though. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the Solana chart just continues to look super, super bullish. Highest we've been here on Solana, guys, since 2021. I mean, Solana is literally getting close to all-time highs right now. That is the amount of money flowing into Solana. So, of course, we're seeing Dog with Hat, Bonk, all the meme coins run like crazy. I've been focused heavily on Solana meme coins over Ethereum because of the gas fees, but also because the Solana chain is just growing and growing and growing and growing. There's also another crypto here that is one that I just invested in yesterday, and that is Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is a new launch, still only a $1.2 billion market cap. If you guys don't know about Jupiter, if you guys know about Phantom Wallet and trading crypto on the Solana chain, you'll know that Jupiter is a DEX, and a very good one at that. It is the my preferred DEX over on Solana. So you know what? They always say, invest in what you use, right? So I did go ahead and invest in Jupiter. Same thing on the stocks, right? Like I invest in Apple, Amazon. I use that stuff every day. Google. But Jupiter's look really good. This is the alt chart, guys, since their launch back in late January. I mean, there's just, I think, so much room for Jupiter still to run here. It's my personal opinion. So I did invest in Jupiter yesterday, and I'll continue to add to that position. We're going to get into all of my meme coins. We've got some meme coins running like crazy, and we added some more to the bags. I've been basically slowly dripping out profits on Solana meme coins every single day. I look and see what's up, and I mean, right now, I mean, I've never hit it this hard on meme coins or done this well, where almost all of them are winners right now. And I'm just slowly dripping every single day, building a nice Solana position. I mentioned two other cryptos that I really like that I'm building out a nice position in are Sui and Aptos. So if we scroll on down, Aptos is up. We're loving that, up 6.48%. It's ranked number 22, guys. Aptos is creeping on up, okay, the list here, slowly but surely. So Aptos I really, really like. We did add to our injective position and our render position. Stacks, we've got a really nice bag there waiting. And then we added to, where is Sui? Did I pass it? Here's Sui. So Sui's down here ranked 65, just under 2 billion right now. I think Sui here in the short term is going to $2. I think there's a great opportunity for us to do that. So I did invest in SUI as well. We opened up a position not too long back, and we added to that position within the last couple days. So SUI and Aptos and Solana. That's where, and Caspa as well. Those four right there have where has been where my meme coin gains thus far have been flowing into. Guys, I mean, we're throwing darts right now on the Caspa meme coin train, and we're hitting it big right now. Dialing back just a little bit, but I started this portfolio, guys, with $2,000. You guys can see that. I started this meme coin portfolio with 2,000, and it's sitting just under 21,000, up 3,400 or 20% just in the last 24 hours, thanks to Solana pumping. So I'll be dripping profits out. You know, some of the things I have in here, just the tip, the Solana meme coin that's been crushing it. Here's tips. We talked about this one very, very early at a $1 million market cap. It's still climbing, sitting at 5.3. Of course, Myro has been a mainstay in our portfolio. Myro, check it out, guys. Setting new all-time highs basically on the cusp. Outside of this wick up that we had on March 8th, Myro, one of these cryptos that we believe could be going to $1 billion next on Solana. This has been a nice long-term hold for us. Yes, when all the fudders came out, when we made our video back in here and we dumped down here, everybody said, Zach, you sold your Myro, and Zach, you're the reason why the price is down. I said, guys, I'm not selling here. There's always one of these, I call them first dumps. Not always, but a lot. There's always a liquidation event on your way to $1 billion. And this was Myro's. And there might be another one along the way. But here's what we've seen. Myro's volume has remained super, super steady. It's at $12 million in the last 24 hours. That is what you want to see on a crypto that has obviously now, got to $430+ million market cap. We've seen consistent volume out of Myro, the Solana meme coin here. So that's in our portfolio. Smog has bounced back really nice. We made a video on Smog a couple days ago. I thought a rebound was coming. We're up 27% here on Smog today. This too, $200 million market cap, guys. We first talked about Smog at a $5 million, give or take. I mean, insane. I sold a little bit too early on that. But hey, how about Donald freaking Trump? This one we called a $200,000 market cap. Now it's $47 million. Sold too early on this one too, but we made some profits. Yes, I'm in Andy as well. Andy Sol, I aped into this one at around 12 million, 13 million. Andy Sol now at 33.69 million, up 60%. Bad Idea AI, of course, within the SHIB ecosystem. This has been on an absolute tear. So our position grew a lot yesterday on this big, massive green candle. Bad Idea AI. I own pretty much every token you can that's officially in the SHIB ecosystem. So SHIB, Bone, Leash, Bad Idea, Canine. In terms of my overall holdings that I have, it goes SHIB, Canine Finance actually, Bone, and then Bad Idea. And then Leash. But Solana meme coins have been helping us out a lot. There are a few others that have been helping us. How about Kulo on Matic, guys? We called this at 11 million. We've been talking about this on live streams. Like, listen, there's something happening. Every hot meme coin that comes out on a new chain is pumping like crazy. And Kulo is the hottest meme coin on Matic right now, sitting at a $41 million market cap. We have been on an upward trajectory for a little while. So this has been awesome to watch here. Cora. How about the reversal? I put a tweet out the other day, and it was like, does anybody know what chart this is? It was Cora's, by the way, if somebody's still wondering. So Cora was done for. I invested down in here in late February when I went on a Twitter space. This chart looked like it was done for. And now all of a sudden, the reversals happen with Cora. It has an interesting narrative as a meme coin, guys. It's Myro's in real life playmate, Cora, community-driven token on the Solana network. More than crypto, it's a movement, it's a culture. So listen, this thing has been pumping like crazy. We put $200 in here at the bottom, at the absolute bottom. And I mean, this thing has been unbelievable. Unbelievable, actually. We've been dripping profits out of here for a while, and we still got a little moon bag. I think it still has like $1,400 in it, and we're gonna see what Cora can do. So shout out to that little meme coin that's been helping us. Ben Dog has been crushing it. So I don't know if you guys have been seeing this one. It's at a $39 million market cap. I'm gonna be doing a video on this one very soon. This is interesting. It's starting to make some moves. Ben Dog. So we invested in this one yesterday on a little bit of a pullback. We put a few $100 in. We're a little bit late to the party here, so I didn't want to go all in on Ben Dog, but it's interesting nonetheless. So we threw a little bit at it. So we got some people listening in from YouTube and X. I appreciate you guys. If you are on X, go ahead and like the live stream and retweet it. That would be awesome if you could do that. And then if you are on YouTube, obviously smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I am going to get to the chat. Just want to kind of give you guys the rundown here on Solana meme coins with Pepe coin leading the way. The crypto pump is happening again for meme coins, guys. It's happening again for meme coins. So here's Pepe sitting at over a $4 billion market cap, set all-time highs yet again in the last 24 hours. And amazing. I mean, it's just insane what this chart looks like. Absolutely stupid, you know? It's crazy. It's crazy. Shout out to the Scans token, not a meme coin, but they've had a nice little resurgence here. OX Scans, they're in the area of auditing using AI. Very interesting little startup that I like. Been working with them, been invested with them for a little while, so wanted to give them a little plug. Same thing with PMPY. I'm heavy into the AI sector, guys. If you guys don't know, we're heavy into AI. Look at this little reversal happening with Prometheum. Little bit of a sell-off. We had to see some type of liquidation, but look at this. It's picked right back up. Prometheum back up there near a $20 million market cap, looking really, really solid. Shout out to the guys at Cryptic. This is an early Shibarium project. They just bridged over to Ethereum. I am going to be working with these guys. I love these new Shibarium startups. If we can find some gems here, Web3 reimagined, building innovative infrastructure encompassed with our Web3 browser and ecosystem. And you can earn rewards by using the Cryptic browser, part of the building on Shibarium too. So we'll be talking more about them. How about the Year of the Dragon and Suka? Suka on a little bit of a pullback now, but they spiked up to 12 cents. This is a community token I've held for a very long time, since they launched back in 2022. And it's been a long time coming, but we're getting up to near all-time highs at 16 cents. That's been a really nice surge. And I think Suka still has a lot of legs here. Ponky, we were getting crushed on this trade, but we held it. We held the line, and Ponky setting new all-time highs. It has been going nuts to a $69 million market cap. So shout out to Ponky. We're still holding the line on Solana, guys. So check out the Solana chart. This is the energy drink on Solana. A lot of people have forgotten about this. I've been holding this for a while. I threw some money in this way back at the end of January, when the whole SNEC thing was going on Cardano, the energy drink. SNEC, by the way, the energy drink on Cardano, still sitting at 150 million. I like that one too. One of the first big meme coins that got some huge traction on Cardano. Of course, we've had some others like Hosky token, but I really like SNEC. And that's the same reason why I like Solana, that same narrative, energy drink on Solana. So this thing has been quietly crushing it and very subtly has been moving back up. We really, really like the potential here. Still only under a $4 million market cap. Imagine if Solana does what SNEC did, the energy drink on Cardano. You would think it could have a day here. I mean, I'm betting on. I've already won the trade there. I've already won the trade on Solana, so I'm going to see this thing through. Appreciate everybody dropping in comments. As soon as we go through the board here, we'll jump over and take a look at all your comments. Make sure you guys smash the like button on your way in. If you're on anywhere, on X, on YouTube, if you're on X, share it out there with the masses. How about DPay? Devour recently climbed up, guys, to a $25 million market cap, trying to decide what it's going to do here. Still sitting at around a $19 million market cap. I love this one long term. It recently just set all new all-time highs. Devour, DPay, it was down and out. This thing was down to 0.001, and we just 10x'd recently in the last week or so from the bottom. We've been buying this for a while. If you guys aren't familiar with Devour, DPay, company I've worked with for a while, knew that they were going to have their day, and I think we're just beginning. Order food, in Web3 environments. It has a gaming element. It's kind of the Uber Eats of the blockchain. You got people who've worked in the restaurant industry for years, met the team here, really love their potential here. Still in this bull run, still sitting just below a $20 million market cap. Shout out to another Shibarium project. We're trying to look for some Shibarium gems. One of the main dexes on in terms of TVL on Shibarium is MarSwap. And I like where the price is right now, down here at 3.84 million, just under 1,000 holders. They're doing a lot for Shibarium. I like where they're at. Just decided to help them with marketing a little bit as well. Hey, if I can help grow Shibarium and grow the Shib ecosystem by helping out some of these people building on it, getting their name out, I'm definitely going to do that as part of Shib Army. And I'm happy to help great companies. So MarSwap and Cryptic and obviously K9 Finance and Bad Idea. I'm a private investor in K9, which we'll talk a little bit about that. And also invested in their project at launch, MarSwap. I invested in this one yesterday. I put $1,000 into MarSwap yesterday, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's next here for this Shibarium project. I'm going to help them with the push. Shiba Inu itself is up a little bit here. On the day, but it's still trending sideways, guys. We're getting ready for the big breakout or breakdown. We're going to get something here. And the longer this consolidates and momentum is high, I think we could be getting ready for another leg up, going test our local high here, or local top at 4.5. That would be great here if we can get a SHIB breakout. And maybe, just maybe, as we're seeing here, the top gainers, Dog with Hat, Bonk, and Pepe. Dogecoin, though, creeping up. I bought Dogecoin yesterday, late last night. I bought Dogecoin at 17 cents when all that stuff started surfacing with Elon and Don Lemon and all that crap. I bought Dogecoin. So I'm back in Dogecoin at 17 cents. It's interesting. The second time I profited off Doge back in 2020, 2021, I bought in right around this same point at around 17 cents and sold near the top at 70. The first time I got in at a penny and sold at 7 cents. I wish I would have got in a penny and held till 70, but that didn't happen. But we are back in Doge. I'm thinking, though, money could start to, you guys know how this meme coin run is. So we've got Dog with Hat, Bonk, Pepe, Dogecoin right now. But what about Floki? Like, it's only up 4%. Maybe some capital starts flowing into Floki. And SHIB is being, forgotten about right now. So maybe, just maybe, we see some capital start to rotate at some point today or tomorrow into Shiba Inu. No, we know about Brett on base, and we are going to talk about that as well. We're just kind of flowing through here. We got a lot to get to here. We've got this thing. I got wrecked on this. I think it was, I don't know. It looks dead right now, but I'm going to hold it. I put a few $100. This PIU AI. Somebody told me about this, a listener on the channel. So far, I've been wrecked on that, but Bone chart is not really showing up. Or here it is. It's at $1. We still like Bone. CCX, this is one that I've been privately invested in for a while. It is creeping up a little bit. However, they're still building right now, trying to figure out what they want to do after, all the dust clears with regulation. They've got some big plans. I'm still an investor in them, by the way, holding the line. I'll give you guys more info when I have it, but still holding that position. Apollo, same thing. They are going through a big migration, still holding a ton, and I'm really excited about Apollo right now, actually. So they're getting heavy into gaming. They're going to be a Web3 gaming platform. I'm heavily invested into gaming, so I can now say that my biggest position in gaming will be Apollo. I was an early investor when they first launched, first day. It was a fair launch, and I went heavy into Apollo, and they're getting heavily into gaming. So I'm excited about their projection here. So it'll be Gala for me, Beam, and Mira as some of the major platforms that I'm invested in. So they are currently going through their migration. You've got Token, which is TokenFi within the Floki ecosystem. Look for this thing to start to run if Floki runs. They've already recently set all-time highs. This is not a meme coin. Liquidity's locked. They are legitimate, guys. TokenFi has been listed and talked about by the big people in the space as well. They are getting into the tokenization of real-world assets. So TokenFi within the Floki ecosystem, one to keep on your radar. I hope you guys appreciate all this free alpha. I'm giving you guys my thoughts on all of these different things. And obviously my plan here is to make profits in meme coins and startups and AI and some of these small caps and drive those profits into big dogs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of my other favorite altcoins. Cardano, I got a position there. I'm pretty much done adding there, but we're ready to roll there. We mentioned Aptos and Sui. This one, I've been in this trade since day one. I've been in this frog with hat trade since day one, and volume's still solid. This frog with hat coin on Ethereum, meme coin, sitting at 3.52 million. You guys can see the chart though; it still looks steady. It still looks okay. So I'm still in this trade. I got my initial out. I'm still in this trade, hanging in there. I don't own any Hoshi. This is part of the Suka ecosystem. Maybe I should own some as a member of the Suka community. This is just a smaller cap play, sister token in their ecosystem. Don't own any, but shout out to them. I don't own any Squid Grow either, but they have been climbing. So Squid Grow went to a $23 million market cap. They've actually exploded recently. Volume is picking up there. That's interesting. The weight token, I don't own any of this. We've been tracking this for a while. Very, very volatile play here. But the weight token is back down to some levels that if you want to maybe make a trade here, make a play at this, could be something you could look at. If you like what they're doing. This is the one Crypto R Us George always talks about. Sora, I'm in this position and I'm holding it. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look terrible either. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. I'm still in this position. I'm pretty much even in this trade. I haven't even profited yet, but Sora is this meme coin that, they're not affiliated with OpenAI, but they're using that narrative, right? They're followed by some people that, it has that narrative, right? So whenever there's Sora news, this thing could hopefully soar. So we're holding a little bit of that. Boba on Sol. I aped into this one. I'm down in it right now a little bit. I'm still holding the line on it. I only threw $100. I'm throwing, a few $100 at a lot of these. We'll see how it does. Boba on Sol. Boba has the narrative. I think it's like the cat of, I don't know, it's somebody's cat. I forget. Let's see here. Vault, not a meme coin. Long-term play for me. Long-term hold. On a little bit of a pullback here, but they did partner with Pal AI. They're a really, really, really solid project. AI escrow is where they specialize in. So Vault Tech. This is a long-term hold for me. I was an early investor. Well, early-ish. I got in around like 4 or 5 million. So my initial's out, and I've got a nice bag that I'm just watching. Just a nice little AI small cap play. I love the AI sector, guys. And one of these days, I'm going to do a full live stream on my AI crypto portfolio. I should probably do that sooner than later. Maybe I'll just put a tweet out on my AI crypto portfolio right now. Maybe I'll do that. That would be kind of cool, actually. Give you guys a peek behind the curtain, because we got big caps, we got mid caps, we got small caps in our AI portfolio. It's a sector we're going heavy into, and we've been going heavy into. All right, let's keep it rolling. I know there's some ones that people want to hear about. I see you guys in the chat. We will get there, I promise. Let's see here. What else do we got? Ryoshi, this is one I invested in. This is a separate layer 2 built on Shibarium, not Shibarium itself, but it's a separate layer 2 set to help Shiba Inu using SHIB as the gas token. It's a $70 million market cap, kind of just super chill right now. I did throw a little bit at this early on, back in late February, for what it's worth. So, hey, anything that helps SHIB or burn SHIB, use SHIB as the gas token, I'm all for. Corgi AI sitting now just below $1 billion. I missed this one, man. I never got into Corgi. This is the $1 billion meme coin, that first $1 billion meme coin on Kronos. I missed the boat on this. Shout out to everybody who's absolutely crushed it with this, though. Amazing. Pal AI on a pullback a little bit, but it recently set new all-time highs. This is one of my favorite AI cryptos. Met these guys at Toronto way back last year in August, and this thing has just went absolutely parabolic. 565 million market cap right now. Insane growth from PAL AI. The lands token, I was a private investor in this one, and so far this chart just looks miserable. I'm holding the tokens. It just has not gained traction. And you know what? It happens sometimes. Sometimes you just don't hit on it. It just doesn't resonate with the audience. So we'll see what happens with the land token here, but I'm holding this thing. I really liked their team, and I think they're solid. ETH GameFi ecosystem funding ancient archaeology around the world, and they've got some cool initiatives. It's just they have not hit it yet. Hopefully they turn it around. Hey, if there's one thing you can look at, we're at the bottom. We're at the bottom, so we'll see what happens there. This token, Operation Phoenix. So Operation Phoenix is one that I'm going to be probably giving a video. They reached out to me recently, and I like their chart here. I like kind of where they're at. I have to actually follow, but it's to be what SafeMoon should have been. Community driven. So if you remember what SafeMoon what happened there, a lot of people got hurt and upset. So I like the narrative there, and I like that they're trying to bring the community back and together in this bull run. So Operation Phoenix is interesting. We will invest in this one too if we do end up doing a marketing deal with them to help, get some eyeballs on their project. We will invest. We always do. Anytime you guys see a video here on this channel that we, are helping with, or I'm getting compensated for, we do buy into the project. That way we have some skin in the game, and I do, let you guys know that. BitRock is a company we've worked with before in the past. They recently got up near all-time highs, guys. This is a layer 2. This is a legit project, not a meme coin or anything like that. But BitRock, EVM compatible Ethereum sidechain. We'll be doing an update video on BitRock soon. They are a very, very solid team over here at BitRock. They've got a great host of products too that we'll talk more about at length when we do our next video and give everybody an update on their ecosystem. What else do we have here? Physics. I don't know why I was looking at this thing. It's kind of chilling. Volume's kind of low. I forget why I was looking at this. I think somebody sent it to me and I never bought it or anything like that. Preem, I do own some of this token. It's been okay. It's been okay for Preem. Volume's way down right now, but I own a little bit of it. WAGMI Games, I'm heavily here in WAGMI. One of my gaming plays that I really like, guys. I own 11 of their NFTs, and you can see here we're getting close to got up here near an all-time high again. I own 11 of their NFTs, and I own a good amount of their tokens. Really love these guys in terms of what they can potentially do in the gaming sector. They're over a $53 million market cap, lock liquidity, really solid team, partnerships with Immutable X and GameStop. Really like the potential they've got there. Demo on Matic been quietly really good. Okay, Demo on Matic has been quietly really good. If you guys don't know about these guys, interesting idea here. Helps drivers get the most from their cars. Give it a look. Give it a look and connect your data. Connect your car, own your data. Demo, very unique in terms of what they're doing in the space. They're built on Matic, $42 million market cap. Have not worked with them or anything like that, but looking solid. Tradix, a company I did work with in the past, they're still hanging in there. So Tradix on a nice little reversal over the past, several weeks. So Tradix looking solid. They building the very first crypto trading software with auto buy and sell features, can be used across blockchains. So they've got some cool things that they've been working on. So good to see them doing well. Let's see. What else do we got here? What else have we been tracking? People were mentioning Kendu Inu. Yeah, I own Kendu right around this price point, right around I think it's about 4.7 million. So we are in a pullback here with Kendu, but the reason why I bought this, guys, is Satoshi Kusama follows them. That was basically it. And the contract looked really clean. So I think it's a meme coin. We'll see what happens. Kendu Inu, shout out to those guys. I know you guys are in the chat. What's up? Smash the like button if you haven't already, guys. Y'all know the drill. This one I am heavily invested in as well. And we've had a really nice comeback here. Sure, a little bit of a pullback as expected. There's going to be liquidation events. We got one here. when it hit a $400 million market cap, Brett started to sell off. People took profits, but now we're making another run back up here on Brett. If we go to the hour by hour, really liking where Brett could go. Here's the 3-day, by the way. This gives you a better idea of where we are. I still think very early. We're sitting just under a $300 million market cap. This is the meme coin on base. Brett on base is the top meme coin on base. I think there's a great narrative here that Coinbase is going to list their top meme coin that's built on base, right? So I really like Brett. We've seen what's happened with Cockinu on Avalanche. We've seen what's happening with Kulo on Matic. We're seeing what's happening with Brett on base. And all these Solana meme coins that have sent like crazy, Bonk first movers, Pepe, one of the first movers, an OG now, right? Shib, Doge, obviously. This is a first mover, and you have first mover advantage when you are early. And Brett is certainly there early. I'm super pumped about where we can go. It looks like their account got suspended. Hopefully they get it back, but that happens a lot with meme coins. I'm not worried about that. Not concerned. Yeah, so this thing has been bouncing back nicely. Still really solid volume. That's the one thing I'll be tracking a lot of. Really like that as well. They're not listed on any exchanges yet at all, obviously, right? So what happens when that happens? So if we go to, is Brett listed here? Should be. Yeah, here it is. It's literally on no markets. Oh, eToro. eToro listed them. It's on a few. CoinX, LBank, but nothing big yet, right? Bitmart. Imagine what happens here when we get on a big one with high volume. I think Brett could send. So we own a nice sized bag of that. I think that could be one that goes to $1 billion. I'm hoping, maybe even beyond. Let's see what else we've got. SyncDAO, a company I've been working with now for a while, on a little bit of a pullback here, but it has to after this mega pump. But if you guys aren't familiar with SyncDAO, if you guys definitely, I would highly encourage you guys to check them out. They are very, very different in terms of what they're doing. SyncDAO is basically, forming their own kind of crypto bank in a way. Very, very fascinating in terms of what they're bringing to the table here. And it says here, a treasury-backed ecosystem of DeFi products built for longevity and user empowerment. HGACESS will continue to reward stakeholders. Simply buy and stake, earn yield on an appreciating asset like never seen before. So, very, very different type of play, but I like it. So HGACESS, we've been helping marketing efforts with them for a little while. And they're definitely one to check out. I've actually got a referral code if you're interested in checking them out. But HGACESS is listed on a couple exchanges, but I think this will be listed on some major ones too. It's on Mexi, it's on Bitmart, XT. It's on a few solid ones, but I think more to come here with HGACESS. I'm excited about where that could potentially go to. And we do have, as I mentioned, a referral link. If you guys are interested in that and checking out more information on Sync, make sure you guys use that little right there, that little thing right there. If you guys are interested, check it out. Definitely do some digging, and I think you'll like what you see. All right, so let's keep it moving here. What else do we got here? We mentioned K9 Finance. K9 on a little bit of a pullback here, still sitting at 16.56 million. Really like K9 Finance. We're getting our first dip on K9, but really, if we go into the hour by hour, we've been holding the line here. So I'm looking for a bounce off this, like we did on the 12th, like we did here on the 12th again, like we did on the 13th. So if we come down here and retest that, you zoom out here, that's still looking really solid here on K9 Finance. This is part of the SHIB ecosystem, guys. Official SHIB ecosystem play. Okay, so really, really like this one long-term as part of the SHIB official team. Kazuna, we invested in this one because the SHIB deployer wallet owns 50% of the supply. Well, since we've invested, we've been pretty much wrecked. Not wrecked, but we're down. we're down on our investment significantly. Well, not we got in around 40 million. It's down 24 million. Part of me wants to buy a little bit more. The other part of me just kind of wants to wait and see what happens. I think we needed a pullback here. There's still good volume. I think we'll just hold it for now. Grok AI. This is another meme coin. Recently had a nice surge. We're holding this one too. I was loving this big green candle that we had the other day. So that was great to see. We needed that. Alvara, we were a private investor in this one. Alvara still trying to gain its footing here. It's very, very early for Alvara. I really like this project long term, though. They're doing an on-chain fund management. You know, it's not a sexy play from the retail side, but this one could be very, very interesting for some big, heavy hitters. Alvara was one of my 15 private investment kind of VC style investments that I've made thus far this year. I'm trying to make at least 30 of those guys this year. And those are kind of long-term holds for me, these crypto startups. Quick intel on a pullback now, but man, this thing has been crushing it. This is in the AI sector again. We have just been all over the AI place. We were an early investor. Guys, my $1,000 that I put into this project was worth $14,000 the other day. And yeah, I'm not even close to taking profits on this. I'm absolutely loving this project. Quick intel, if you guys haven't heard about it, even if you don't want to buy the token, and full disclosure, I've been helping them with marketing for very, very early on and bought into the project too. But quick intel security is really, really awesome in terms of what they bring. They have a token, but you don't even need their token to use their free version of the app. If you go to their website, you could use their free version. It's a great place to to basically scan contracts before you invest. Now, on the BNB and Ethereum chain, I think they let you kind of use the free version. If you start to look at all the other chains like Solana and Polygon and Avalanche, then I think you need to upgrade and basically utilize the token to upgrade. So that's where it's really interesting. They've been crushing it, guys. Here you can see the total scans, last 24-hour scans. You could scan the contract, so you can literally just drop something in there. I'll show you how it works. We'll throw Shib in. We'll throw Shib's contract in here because that will be one that we can actually look at. So we'll switch to Ethereum, drop that in there, and we can scan it. There you go. And it gives you all this breakdown, right? Is the contract renounced, LP, top wallets, everything you need to know. And it gives you even more insight and information when you upgrade. But it gives you market cap, honeypot test. So it's just a really nice way to dig in and make sure you're investing in something that is not going to just completely rug pull. Now, when you're in meme coins, it could happen, but I feel like we've seen less rug pulls, or at least maybe rug pulls that are happening quicker than they used to, which I don't know. It feels like that, which I think that's a good thing. I mean, 2021, it seemed like there was a lot more back in the day. People are getting smarter, though, too. People are definitely getting smarter, though, for sure. Hey, good morning, Zach. Any thoughts on Volt? They seem to keep building utilities in multiple sectors and still undervalued at these levels. I like Volt, actually. It is down at some levels, GD, where you might want to look at it. I agree with you. And if we go to meme coins by market cap, we scroll on down. Volt's pretty far down the list right now. And I like that, okay, in terms of where it could go. Optimus AI is down here too. Volt right here at 44 mil. Here's bad idea. So they're listing it as a meme coin too. But no, I think Volt is an interesting play. A strong community. I do think it can make a nice comeback. I really do, GD. I think that's a good call, particularly where it's at right now. I miss this one, man. Solana. Samo's up. Nice. Samo's an OG meme coin on Solana. Turbo's up. I missed that one. There's Kishu, OG. Toshi. Arb Doge, AI Doge. Pepe fork looking solid. Smog on a nice comeback today. Dojal on Mars is another one. It's hanging in the balance right now. 200 million. That's an OG. My lady's been pumping up a little bit, huh? I missed this one too. Mog. I missed Mog, MAGA, and my lady. Got into Cock Inu, but a little bit late. Never got into Baby Doge. Never got into Meme. I don't know what the heck this one is. Meme. And then obviously we got the OGs. Doge, Shib, Pepe, Dog Whiff Hat, Floki, Bonk. I didn't, Jesse. Did it pump like crazy or something? Wolf on AVAX. I heard about that one. Let's take a look at it. Damn. Damn, it's already 44 million. Whew. Let's add this to the favorites. Damn. Excited about the hackathon for Gala for sure, Alberto. Excited about it. Partnership with AWS and Alienware. Yeah, I think Gala's primed, man. Bad ideas pumping. Yeah, I know. Curious if you have seen Saitama at all recently. No. What's it doing? $104 million? $104 million market cap. All right, it's pumping a little bit. Just the right one. Yeah. It's back to 100 million. That's not bad. Andy is a good one. Yeah, we got that one right here. We're invested in this one. We've 3x'd on our Andy. We got in around 11. So we got in like right in here on like day 4. We got into Andy. Guys, I appreciate everybody out there. Make sure you hit the like button. We're going to take some questions from the chat. We're going to go through some other news and information. Still a lot to get to on the live stream. As always, really do appreciate you guys. Couldn't do it without you. I'd like to see us get over 1,000 people here with us. We're close. If you guys want to help us out, hit the like button, share it on Twitter. That'd be great. We're growing our community here. A lot of new people coming into the space. We've got new people subscribing to the channel, so welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We're here every single day grinding for you, navigating these crypto waters. As you guys know, I do have a company called XT Algo as well. If you guys are interested in checking that out, links are down below. Great discount code running right now. If you guys are interested in trading crypto and being better at it, setting customized alerts to suit your needs with crypto, stocks, great product. I promise you that. You can get started today for a little over $1 a day in the first month with the using the discount code. Links down below for that. And then our Patreon as well. If you want to join up the private community, you want early alpha, things we're looking at. I just mentioned to my Patreon members about 4 or 5 days ago, 5 meme coins that I like. And I think I was 4 for 5 out of there in terms of getting like 3 to 5x gains already in the last few days. So trying to do my best there to kind of give some private community members some early things, some things I'm looking at. Of course, we can never hit it perfectly, right? But so we've got those 2 opportunities for you guys, Patreon and the XT Algo. Definitely check those out if you're interested. But of course, right here on YouTube, this is totally free. And it's also totally free to hit the like button for us. Really does help us out. So let's take a look at some questions here in the chat. What do you guys got? Go ahead and fire away. Kulo on Polygon. Yeah, we talked about that. Loving Kulo. We are in it. We are in it for sure. Base Brett, we're in it to win it with Brett. Pooh made a comeback too. Was when it launched. Was in it when it launched. Yeah, I remember Pooh. That was around the Pepe time when everything was pumping like crazy. Our best play during last May when the Pepe stuff was pumping. Our best play was Bob. That's where we did best. AMP. I was in it back in 2021, way back in the day, but not anymore. My lady never got in it, but hey, congrats. It's been pumping it. Bob, there's Bob. I don't know. Where is Bob today? Where is Bob today? Is it still up there? Let's see. Still a $48 million market cap. Look at that. Okay, so Bob's not done. Interesting. Let's go. What about Cryptic? Yeah, Robert, we talked about Cryptic earlier. A little project that's building on Shibarium. We like what they're building. There's so many great projects, and I'm going to support all of them. Anybody who's building on Shibarium that makes our ecosystem better as part of the Shib army, I love it. So, how about tips? Just the tip on Jupiter. Yeah, we were early to tips. This is one of the ones I told my private community about, my Patreon members about. I let them know when it was down in here, at the 3 level on this comeback. It was like maybe, 3 cents. Now it's 8 cents. So yeah, tips is looking really good on Solana right now. Good volume. I like to see that volume get over 1 million. We've been close. We've been close. Let's see. When is it best to take out profits on Floki? Ben, that's on you, man. You got to make that call. You got to set your own goals and plans. My goals are not your goals. Your goals are not my goals. Your goals are not anybody else's except yours. So you got to create that. Can you recommend a platform for leverage trading without KYC? Tam, yeah. Margex. Links are down below in the description. If you do want to do some leverage trading, check out my links down below. Margex is a company I'm working with. Shout out to Margex, too. We're going to Dubai next month, and Margex hooked us up with our Airbnb. How cool is that? So awesome. Can't wait to get out there to token 2049. We talked about AMP. Elmo at ERC, negative for me. What can you see Avalanche going to this year? Avalanche has great upside. I think at least a 5 to 6x is kind of a healthy bet. Same thing with Solana. What do you think about SNEC? I like SNEC, still holding SNEC, and I own a ton of Solana meme coins, an absolute ton of them. Solana meme coins I hold, just to give you guys a rundown. Just the tips, Kalana, Myro, Cora, Andy. There's a few right there. Tremp, Smog, Bendog. We're going to be getting into this one. Ponky. I mean, there's just tons of them that we're in, man. I mean, and we've rode a lot of these up, and we're profiting on these every single day. I'm dripping out a little bit of profits on these big winners every single day, just slowly dripping. PENG, I don't know about this. Pang, is this a meme coin? Pang on salt. Jeez, oh man. 109 million. No idea. This is hot number 1, though. Pang. I mean, it's already at 100+ million, Crypto Chris, right? So, I'm going to put a star on it. I mean, the volume's incredible. 24 million. I don't know much about the community, but let's go in here and subscribe and follow them. All right, we're going to keep an eye on them. Thank you for the plug there. Thoughts on CAS? One of my favorite cryptos to hold right now. One of my favorite cryptos to add to as I'm winning on these meme coins. CAS is one of those cryptos that I'm adding onto my position. Absolutely love it. I think it has tremendous upside. It's not listed on the top tier exchanges yet. It's already a top 50 crypto, top 40 crypto. Absolutely love Caspa. I think it's a big time sleeper. Let me get rid of some of these tabs. Sheesh. Let's put regular coin market cap. Yeah, where is CAS right now? It was down a little bit. That's why I bought a little bit yesterday. It's been kind of forgotten about a little bit, which I like. That's when I like to buy it. Yeah, it's still down a little bit today. I like these price points on CAS. Just kind of hovering here. People forgot about it. It's down 2%. It's all meme coins right now. This is a good time to go hunt for some gems like Caspa. I think Caspa is a great one right now. Sitting under 15 cents. Not financial advice, but yeah, I like it. Floki, I like it, Ben. Let's see. I want to get through all of this, hopefully. Answering all your guys' questions. Trying to get to as many as I can here. We already talked about SNEC. Pepe Inu, I don't know much about it. Has not got much traction. That's the private sale one. Like I said, with private sale meme coins, 2 to 3x and get out. That's kind of my deal. 2 to 3x and get out. That's kind of what I like to say. I don't really like to stay in meme coins that are private sale too long. Maybe re-enter the position, but I'm pretty sure with Pepe Inu that was the same thing. Or Pepe Inu, let me see. Like it was a private sale play. And they could be okay for a quick X. So yeah, it sold off heavily. But again, like right here, like Like right here, when it comes out, like take advantage of this. Here's your 2 to 3x. Like basically exactly what I said to happen. Take your 2 to 3x and get out because private sellers are going to sell off. Now, will this thing bounce back up and gain some traction? We'll see. The volume's decent. But then if you really like it, you can buy back in at these levels. On these private sell meme coins, get out at 2 to 3x. That's my 2 cents, not financial advice. Take a look at Volt. Yeah, we talked about it. I like Volt. Thoughts on SNEC? We talked about that. I like it. If you know, you know. Can you buy K9 straight from Shibarium? That's a good question. You mean like right from Shiba Swap? No, you can't. So you can't get it on there yet. Obviously, it's Shiba Swap 2.0 still rolling out, but K9 Finance is listed on the open market, and exchanges are coming. I got mine just on Uniswap. If we go here, go markets. Right now, it's just Ethereum, Uniswap. It's Ethereum based. Okay. And it's not on eToro. This is sponsored. Okay. So no exchanges yet. So just on DeFi. Still under 17 mil. This is a long term play for me. Altcoins. Yeah. I like altcoins. Meme coins, altcoins. Yeah. Why do you talk more about Bone when it has much bigger upside than SHIB? Why don't you talk? We do talk about Bone. I do own Bone. I own every asset in the ecosystem. I own more SHIB than Bone, and I own more K9 Finance than Bone right now. And then it would be, Bone and Bad Idea are about the same. But I think Bone has great upside. Yeah, I know. Saitama changed its name. Yeah. It's becoming a layer 0. I did hear that. Do you think SHIB can hit 0.0001 by October? New all-time highs by October? Certainly possible. Yeah, I think it's certainly possible. Yeah, certainly possible. Jasm. I did want to talk about Jasm a little bit in the live. Glad you brought that up. Jasm is hanging in the balance right now. We're waiting for a catalyst. I put the video out recently. We're losing steam a little bit, but I wouldn't get too nervous here. Okay, there's our 1 month chart. We're still looking pretty solid. We're waiting for some catalyst. That's the big thing right now. And I saw this on Twitter. There's a good tweet. Let's see if I can find it. There's a good top tweet. Let's see. We're waiting on those token unlocks. That's going to be a big thing. Also, we're just kind of waiting for their roadmap, right? Their 2024 roadmap. I think that could get people really excited. I talked about this in my video. There was a great tweet that I referenced. Some people talking about the technical side. Says here, is back in a hidden bullish. Oh, this is February. Okay. Let's go latest. I wonder if I can find that tweet. Here, you know what I could do? I want to show you guys this because I couldn't agree more with what I found here. That was my Jasm video right here. There it is right there. Team Lambo put out this tweet. I thought this was really, really solid. Okay, so. Oops. Oh, I had it. Dang it. There it is. Team Lambo said, I believe we are waiting for some sort of catalyst for Jasm. These are the catalysts that can kickstart a rally to 0.05 or 5 cents or even 10 cents. Roadmap 2024 release. Token lockup mechanism details. More details on Junction or PDL and a partnership with some big company is announced. I think exactly this. Like we're kind of just waiting for that next big thing with Jasm. We know there's a ton of upside. We know that there's a ton of potential. Now we need some real substance to get super excited and get buyers coming back in. But I opened up a position in Jasm. As you guys know, when Jasm started pumping like crazy, we'll go to the charts real quick. When Jasm started pumping like crazy, we opened a position at the 13 level. So on the middle of this run right in here. So I love where we're at right now. We'll be looking to add to our position, especially if we get a little bit of more of a pullback. This might not be a bad spot. I'm watching it closely. I'm actually watching my XT algo, my trading indicator, closely to give me an indicator on when I could potentially add to my position. So the last time we got an indicator on the daily, momentum up. Since that time period where we are right now, last 30 days, we're up 228%. This trading indicator has been amazing. And I know so many people are using it now. I'm getting a ton of great feedback. Again, if you guys are interested in that, links are down below. And of course, we've got the Patreon as well. Patreon page down there too. Here's something else for Jasm. The token has remained above the 50-day moving average, which has been solid. The relative strength index have pointed downwards, RSI, but that can flip quickly if we get some good news. The outlook for Jasm, this contributor said, is still bullish, with the next target being the 2.7 level. We have given back the 2 level here, the 2 cent level. More gains will be confirmed if price moves above that price. So I think we're just kind of waiting for that next big push. Why negative, Zach? Less than 400 million supply and burning and launching game. I don't know which one that could be you're referring to. Yeah, you should be good with Margex in Canada. Yeah. How far do you think Floki will go in the bull run? I talked about Pepe yesterday in my video. I think Floki could still get to where Shib was in the previous market. So, I mean, a 10 to 15x is still in the cards, and they've got a legitimate ecosystem. I like Floki. I think Floki's a sleeper in the overall meme coin market. It's sitting at 2.6 billion. A 10x billion would take us, or 10x would take us to 26 billion. Shib got to what? 40 or 50 billion. We did some videos on Pika Moon. They're doing their private sale. I put a little bit in the private sale, but I'm looking to get a 2 to 3x, get out, and then maybe get back in. That's how I'm going to be playing that. Full disclosure. Caspa. Trump has been on a tear. Yeah, Jesse. Insane, right? Freaking Donald Trump. What do you think of the new Shib 3.0 coin? Haven't heard about it. Love Caspa. We talked about it. Do you use Phantom Wallet? Yes. More info on next airdrop. Was it this fall or next year? Not sure about airdrop, but I use the Phantom Wallet. You see Myro breaking through the billion market cap soon? Robert, I mean, it's been up here before. This is a good test here that we're seeing right now. It's been tough to get past this level, but I think it has good chance, as good a chance as any other top meme coin on Solana right now, for sure. It's got to be the favorite. It's got to be the favorite when we look at Solana meme coins. It's got to be the favorite right now. When you look at Solana meme coins that have yet to get to 1 billion, I like it. Rafi, I'm not going to look at that one right now. I'm trying to get through all these different charts. What about Tonic? I know it's part of Kronos. I like it. I don't hold it right now. Have you seen anything about LimeWire or mobile lately? No, I've heard about that. Don't own it, though. Sui, love it, David. We just bought in there more. Thanks for the time and great stream again. Of course. Thanks. Thoughts on Scorp token? Jasmine, you talked about a KTO. Is that Kunatori? I don't own that one anymore. That was way back. ETH fees are too high to get in K9 right now. I hear you, Chris. I know. How about Near AI? Yes, I've heard about that, Jeff. I need to look into it. What about BTT, BitTorrent? I don't own it. It's been doing decent. GRT update, the graph. I love GRT. It's a long-term hold for me. GRT right here at 42 cents. We were buying GRT at 11 cents. And I know this chart doesn't look like much, but if you go to the 1 year, there you go. We were buying GRT at 10 cents down here when nobody was talking about it. I love GRT. Big time AI play, $4 billion market cap. Any sites? Okay, LimeWire. Let's see. What about Biden with the crypto tax? Craig, tell me more. What's on the table for that? I pay my taxes. I pay a healthy share. Hopefully, I don't have to pay more. Think FET will pump after NVIDIA event. I'm watching the entire AI sector with this NVIDIA event coming up, guys. 100%. So the NVIDIA conference, keep an eye on this. The #1 AI conference coming up. Workshops start March 17th to the 21st. The AI conference and expo, March 18th to the 21st. Get ready for that. I think the entire AI sector could be set to pump. And if we get news, I'm hearing there could be some rumblings, some big companies in the AI blockchain sector partnering up with people. Render is one I just recently bought. Injective is one I recently bought. Added to both of those positions, Injective and Render. And I already own the graph. We own some Fetch and we own some Singularity Net. So those are some AI cryptos that I like. Thoughts on Elon X comments on Dogecoin as the people's coin because a big Doge pump last night. Yeah, that's why I bought in. I bought into Doge last night because of that fact. I've been waiting for an entry. I think Dogecoin's going to have some legs. So I actually bought some Dogecoin. Believe it or not, I bought a little bit of Dogecoin on Robinhood because I own a few stocks on Robinhood. And I said, you know what? I want to hold Doge on Robinhood just because that's where it got its start. That's the OG spot to get Doge. So I own a little bit of Dogecoin on Robinhood now. I do think we'll see another run up there. Okay. Thoughts on gaming, Shiba. Don't know much about that. Thoughts on Doge, Elmo. Okay, we talked about Doge. Paying on Solana, we covered that. ICP, really solid. I own some. Probably not enough, but it'll be a position I'll look to add to a little bit here. All right, we have a super chat. Could you open up CoinGecko? Look at LMEOW on ETH, a GCR-induced meme coin with an insane narrative. Thank you for the super chat. I don't know much about this one at all, guys, so we'll take a quick look at it because my man gave us a super chat. LMEOW. Meow. I have no idea what the heck this thing is. What's the market cap? Very, very interesting. Okay. So there you go. Let's see. What do you think about Near? I don't know. You know what? I don't know enough about Near, and I should. But I'm not an investor in it. How far will Bonk go? I mean, I think it's kind of in that same category as Floki and some of these other, top community token plays. I mean, 8 to 10x still from here is feasible. The only thing is, once they get so big, it's hard to get them to move. I mean, it can still happen, obviously. Look at Shib and Doge. They still move, but you're not going to find those similar type gains, But the one, like I said it yesterday, I think Pepe has the best chance right now to, probably 10x of the OG meme coins, like the big market cap ones. Coffee time. Yes, we had one cup already, but yeah, Everto, I really like the graph too. I don't own any Zcash. Why is there only 167 likes in here? I have no idea. That's crazy. Because we do have a lot of people on X listening in too. So, but if you are on X, retweet the live stream. Get it out there to the masses. Would appreciate that greatly. What about Sin? Love it, Thomas. Syncus DAO. We talked about Sin. Syncus. We talked about them. Oh wait, no. Sin is something different, huh? I thought you meant Syncus DAO. Sin. I don't know about this one. It's 208 million though. What is this? Synapse Labs. Huh. First time I stumbled across this. Just followed him though. I'm not sure about that, Thomas. I think my lady will go big. Definitely has upside. It's been doing really well. Really, really well. Suka, this is one of my favorites. It's smaller than my lady too in market cap. What's Suka at? Just over 100 million. It's been pumping. 107 million. Has not seen a crypto bull run yet. Great community. And they're actually building out real utility with their decks. So that's one of my favorites. Full disclosure, I do own a good sized bag of Suka too, so I want to see it do well. Selfishly, obviously, right? As anyone would. Jerry, what's up? Love the graph. Been in since late 2021. Thank you for that, by the way. Thoughts on POW? Got in at 0.29. In my opinion, it's got tremendous opportunity. Love POW. So you got in at a good spot at 29 cents. Yeah, it's sitting at 70 cents right now. I think this is going to go to $1 billion market cap, in my opinion, Jerry. I mean, that's my 2 cents. Man, if you got into GRT back in 2021, late 2021, that's a nice get. What's up, Zach? Hope you're good. I'm from England, UK. Yeah, Docs, I remember you just recently found the channel. You're new to the channel. I remember you, man. I appreciate you coming back. Thanks for the support, and thanks for making this channel part of your crypto news. Immutable and Aerodome, what do you think? I like Immutable for sure. With how I'm bullish on the gaming side of things. Yeah, Neil, I think that's feasible. I do. I mean, we're not that far away, especially what just recently happened. That gives us some really more even optimistic outlooks here for price points. But nobody knows. I mean, that's the end of the story there. It's like we could give predictions, but nobody knows. Nobody just knows how much capital is going to be flowing in. That's what's just so hard to predict. It's just such a brand new market. Like giving price predictions, it's so tough, Appreciate you guys for the super chats, by the way. A couple people dropped those in there. Appreciate that. Of course, it's totally free to hit the like button, though, for us. That definitely helps get this out. Chainlink is a top 7 holding of mine. Absolutely love it. Love Kronos, too. Kronos is one I've been sitting on and staking my crow for a while. It's got great upside. It's more than exchange now, too. What can I say about Corgi? Congratulations if you were in it. I missed it. But congrats if you were in it and made some gains on it. So, all right, we'll take a look at some of the news too. By the way, we shout out to we just had about 30 new subscribers while we've been on stream. So shout out to our 30 new subscribers. Keep in mind, guys, we put out videos every single day, live streams just about every single day, YouTube shorts. We're on Twitter as well. Make sure you follow me over here on Twitter. We're live on Twitter right now as well. But it's at Z_Humphries over there. We're going to go ahead and retweet that. If you guys would repost this too, that would be awesome. Help us get the word out here, get some more people checking us out. Definitely helps us out. Yeah, so we're on Twitter. We're on Instagram too. I don't know. Do you guys follow me on Instagram? I don't know if I can show it here. I think I could, right? Let me see. So if you guys go to Zach Humphries Clips, we're almost at 10K on Instagram. This is us right here. So we are on IG. Give us a follow over here. This is the one, Zach Humphries Clips. We're over here talking crypto as well, and I also have some entrepreneurial little stuff over here. So if you guys are interested to follow me over there on IG, I'll drop this link down there. Definitely check it out. All right, there you go. Bang bang. All right, let's get into some of the news. Let's see here. What do we got? Okay, we got US PPI data coming in. First reaction of Bitcoin and the dollar. So obviously expect a little volatility. What happened here? Core producer price index, a little hotter than expected. Same thing with core producer price index annual. Producer price index, a little hotter. Everything was a little bit hotter. Let's see what's happened to the markets here. Let's see what's happened to Bitcoin. So a little bit of a pullback on the data coming out, but this is what we saw yesterday, and then we flew to all-time highs. So I don't think it's going to be much of anything here on this news, personally. Let's see. What else do we got? Robinhood to benefit from monster crypto cycle. I mean, all the exchanges will, right? But yeah, we mentioned that Robinhood's going all in crypto for sure. Well, ETH hit 6K. I think ETH could go to 12 to 14,000 at some point in this cycle. It's my guess. Morning, Jay. Government shutdown and print more money will sure offset crypto and stocks. That's on the horizon with a 32 trillion debt ceiling. Yeah, anonymous. I don't know. I mean, the debt's always been an issue, right? It's like, but I don't know. I mean, what are you going to do? I mean, I think it's actually beneficial to crypto, though, because more and more people are looking at, especially with Bitcoin, they're just looking at it as a better way to store their wealth than gold right now. And they know how screwed up the dollar is and all of that. So I think it's actually helping crypto in a way. It's not good for the US dollar, but it's good for crypto, So it's kind of like, yeah. How do you feel about Chili's and sports coins? Casey, I liked CHZ. We talked about that one way back in 2021. It hasn't fully exploded yet. Flow, that blockchain that did that's worked with NBA Top Shots and things like that. So I like Flow and CHZ. I think it's going to be big. Loyalty tokens. I think they're going to be big. But I don't know if it's going to be a hot narrative in this cycle. There's just so many other bigger things right now. But CHZ is certainly the one. If you're bullish on that sector, I think that's the one. Match the likes to views. Yeah, for sure. That's my Instagram right there if you guys are interested in checking that out. Inflation out this morning. No bueno, but help is on the way. Doge is moving up. Yeah, it is. Good thing I bought in last night. Elon announced he's accepting Dogecoin to buy Teslas. Well, they asked him about it. I watched the clip. It was eventually he said he would like to do that. Right now you could buy merch. He said eventually they'd like to do that. So yeah, Elon just talking about it in general is going to help the price pump. Jerry said it. Smash the like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family. Don't miss the latest and greatest in all your crypto news. This man works hard for us every single day. Show him some love. Appreciate you, Jerry. Thanks for being here, man, for a long, long time, man. I appreciate the support. How long is this bull cycle? Well, that's an interesting question. The 3Cs, because got a lot of people saying we're in for what they call a super cycle. And a lot of people like to say that every bull run, like, hey, this is going to be the super cycle. This is the super cycle. And a lot of people just say that without any real merit. But if there was ever going to be a super cycle, it would probably be this one. With the Bitcoin ETFs happening in an election year, with just the general market trends every 4 years, crypto goes up. Yeah, this is certainly in the cards for a super cycle. But if you go off history, if you're looking for like time frames to maybe start to book profits, if that's kind of what you're getting at, just using history as an example, go back to the last cycle. If you go back to the last cycle, our last Bitcoin halving, which we're getting ready for another one next month, right? But our last Bitcoin halving happened in April 2020, and altcoins and most of the best cryptos topped out in October or November of 2021. So it was, 2020, April 2020, Bitcoin halving, the tops October, November 2021. So if you use that as any logic, April 2024, Bitcoin halving, October, November 2025, might be some good areas to be looking to profit. Again, that's just based on where we've been and how it's looked. Who knows? This could be a little bit different now that we have Bitcoin ETFs, maybe soon to have Ethereum ETFs. What do you think about Origin Protocol? Matt Jackson, to be honest with you, I don't know much about it, and I'm not in it. Followed your Instagram. Hell yeah, thanks. Anyone having problems with Coinbase Wallet? I don't use Coinbase Wallet, but I have not. XCAT is going to run like Chili's did. Interesting. XCAT. I'll have to look at that. Lucy Fuego. Jasm is dead? No, I don't think so. When will Coinbase offer Caspa? What the heck? Been waiting to trade something for it. Have some, but hoping Coinbase gets it. The thing is, the exchanges have to buy the token. And that's why a lot of these big exchanges don't want to do it. They've got to go buy it on the open market. And they know, Coinbase knows if they go buy it on the open market, they're as big as Coinbase, they got to buy a ton of it. Right? So that's the difference with Caspa, and I think why it's not listed on the top exchanges is because the exchanges have to go buy it just like we would on the open market. So yeah, they're not listed on Binance either. They are listed on Gate, KuCoin, Mexi. Great volume here on Gate last 24 hours. Mexi gets great volume over there too. KuCoin, Bybit. But eventually, I think they're going to be forced to add it when volume starts ramping up like crazy. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to get up on out of here. I'm going to go make some videos. Don't forget to like the stream on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't already. All that fun stuff. Oh, and by the way, not only subscribe, but hit the notification bell. Turn all notifications on so you get alerted. Sometimes I'll put out videos and people will say, hey, Zach, I didn't see it. I don't know what happened. So make sure all the notifications are on so you get alerted. And yeah, appreciate you guys. We got a ton of content coming out today. A lot to get to. A lot of things to cover. And I like Mira. Yeah, I do like Mira. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching the stream. If you're over on Twitter, shout out to you guys. If you're on YouTube, shout out to you guys as well. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.